Hello guys, this is Jay once again from Sentinel Trading Channels on YouTube. Today I'll be updating you guys on my progress on the BitBubble Tech software and also discuss what's happening on the Bitcoin market or generally the cryptocurrency market today. Today is the 2nd of February 2018. If you haven't watched my previous video, do check them out on my channel where I share my trading progress from where I started fresh till now. So you can also click the I button in the top right hand corner of this video to watch my previous episode. So let's begin guys. If we were to look at the Bitcoin charts today, the price of BTC USD has recently broke a major support line at around 9800, which is causing a sell mania below this point, especially today. The price actually is approaching 8000 today. So now most Bitcoin owners would be in panic and rush into selling their BTC as quick as possible. BTC investors that has only recently started in January this year will be prompted to sell their Bitcoin and minimize their losses too. So as BTC owners, their investment is looking to suffer further decline in the value of BTC unless they manage to cash out earlier in January at the 17,000 high. So, but as for me, as a trader that also trades through CFD, I can exploit this downward momentum to make some massive profits. That's the advantage of trading CFD instruments, where not only we can profit through the upward rise in price, but also a decline in price. So very much like shorting a stocks if you've ever tried trading before. So I hope to ride this momentum and take a sell position soon, but I'm going to wait for a BitBubble Tech signal to help me time my entry to make the trade. So before I dig into the main content of this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more testing results on this trading software and also crypto trading progress. So alright guys, what do you see on my screen right now is the BitBubble Tech trading page that will list down trading recommendation when it detects a good trading setup. So most of the time we'll see empty page like this because good trading opportunities doesn't happen that many times a day. So I'll be right back when I see a signal from BitBubble Tech software to trade today's market. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Hey guys, I'm back. It seems like we have one Bitcoin signal that just appeared on my Bitbubble Tech software. So as you can see, my balance is $490.40, which carried forward from my previous episode. And the start date of this signal is 2nd of February, which is today, and 1544, which is just just not too long ago. It's just a couple of minutes ago. So this signal have just appeared and I'm recording these two signals right now. So it seems that the start date and trend expiration for both these BTC and LTC signals are the same, and both are recommending a put position, which is a sell. So it's very consistent at the chart that I'm looking for. So I'm going to enter the trade right now. Let's not waste any more time. Okay guys, I'm going to execute the first trade, which is the Bitcoin trade right now. You can see my $490.40 balance here. Okay, so I'm going to invest 120 amount and leverage 10. Stop loss, I'm going to leave it as 20 and take profit at 40 and click the sell button. Okay, okay, then you can see this trade is open right now. Let's go for the next trade. Whoops, sorry guys, it seems like I forgot to press the record button. So but no worries, you can see that my balance now is 240 and 40 cents. That's because I've already opened two trades of the same value, 125 each, with the same leverage, stop loss and take profit level. So you can see under the total investment, which is 250, which reflects to 150 for two trades. And right now, the good news is both these trades are already in the green and both these trades are already earning a profit. So that means that the bar at the current moment, it is declining as indicated or predicted by the BitBubble Tech software. So as if you trade CFD and you see that your trade is green, you already know that you are riding the correct momentum downwards. So now the only decision is whether to close the position or just let the wave ride further down. So as of right now, I'm going to decide that I'm going to follow the momentum downwards a little bit longer, as indicated as the trend expiration, which is previously stated that's maybe about 2-3 hours. I think it was 2 hours from right now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to wait for this trade until maybe hopefully earns a little bit more profit before I close the position. All right. So I'm gonna be right back. Pause this video and be right back. Um, and then to show you guys the profits that these two trade has given me later on. All right. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. Right now it's about half an hour after I've executed the previous two trades, and right now I'm looking at about $63 profit. So that's about pretty good return actually. It's nearly 20%. I think it's a little bit more than 20% of profit from the invested 1 to 5 amount. So I think most likely I would close the position right now, although there is very high potential that the trend will continue to go down, but I'm just not really sure because we are approaching the lowest of the week below if we look at the charts previously. So no worries. As long as, like I said, as long as we are already in a profit, I'm just gonna carry on to close the position. Um, then you're still doing the right thing. So I'm going to go ahead to close the position right now. So for Bitcoin and Litecoin. Okay. Um, okay, so right now my balance is currently standing at $555.86. So under the close position, which recent close position, we can see that it's in a really good $60 profit. So I think it's a good start for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to wait for a few more signals before I head out to do some errands. Hopefully I can record a little bit more signals for you guys. So if not, I'm just going to end this episode. All right. So stay tuned a little bit more, guys. Sup guys, back again. So it seems like BitBubble Tech has two more signals. My balance, you can see, is a Bitcoin signal and a Litecoin. Bitcoin at 8:30, which is right now, and another Litecoin signal also 8:30. That's going to last until 11 p.m. So I think this time it's a call position instead of sell position. So it's the opposite direction based on the charts analysis just now. But unfortunately, I've got to go out right now, and I've just managed to record this signal for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly going to execute this trade on my way out right now, and I will record the results when I'm back home. All right. So see you guys later. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jay. I'm back again. Sorry that I didn't manage to record the trade execution just now, but I'm gonna go over the results and have a little look at the chart and what happened to the buy signal for the Bitcoin and Litecoin just now. So I quickly search my results right here under the my brokers page, which is VIP Crypto. Uh, and as you can see, my balance from $555 is right now 956. That almost double my account in two trades. So can you believe that? So let's go take a look at what actually happened in the trade. Yeah. So based on the results, the previous two trades has brought in massive profits. Like I've invested 125 for each trade, and for the Litecoin trade, it returned me about $420. That is near about $300 profit. And for the Bitcoin trade, it returns $230 from 125. So that's nearly two times the profit, but it's still over $100 profit. So that's like it's way above um, what I usually get from my previous trades, which is on average about $30 each trade, which is typically what I aim for. So, but I guess this time the Bilbao Tech has given me a really good buy signal at the right time. So this is the advantage of trading CFDs, where your risk reward ratio is way higher than trading options that gives you a fixed payout. So let's look at the Litecoin USD chart. So the one that gives me a lot of profit is this two green bar right here. So as you can see, it's really massive as compared to the other bars that is relatively small. So clearly, I think this price chart has reached a new support level, and this is like a bounce back from the current new support level. So this two huge bar is worth like more than $300. So because I've entered at the price near 110, which is near the blue arrow right below, and I closed it at about, say, at 110. I closed it at 137. So 137. So that's not even the top of the bar. So imagine I closed the position at 140 instead of 137. So that would mean I've actually earned a little bit more. So if you guys remember that the profit on my CFDs is based on the percentage change times your investment value times your leverage. So in this case, I've entered the price at near 110 and it increased to 137, which is nearly a, let's see, 110 to 137 is about $27 change. $27 change is about near 30%, 20 to 30% percentage change. So that means I've earned 20 to 30% of my invested value, which is 125. That will gives me about near 300, 30. Then 30 times another 10, which I leverage 10, and it will give me about $300 profit. So that's how it works in CFD. So if you're lucky and you got a trade, you time a trade at a really huge candle, which occasionally the bit bubble tech will give you trades like this, and you can earn massive profits like this one as well. So similarly to the Bitcoin trade I've executed, I've entered the trade at 810.6.7 and closed the position at 8794.5. So that's about $690 increase. It's short of 10%. I think it's about 8.5%. So it's a 8.5% change times my 125 and times my leverage, so that would give me about $100 profit in this Bitcoin trade. So anyway, it's three times above of what I've usually settled for. I usually settle for about 2 to 3% percentage change in terms of the asset price. So that means like Bitcoin or Litecoin, if it increase or decrease about 2%, I would probably typically earn about $20-30 in that trade. But as for this one, I followed the Bitwell tax recommendation. I've entered the position at precisely almost the same as the start date as the signal and closed my position at precisely at the trend expiration date that the Bitwell tech has told me to. So in my opinion, even if you follow the trend expiration date from the Bitwell tech software, I think it's really good enough. So sometimes if you don't settle, you get way more reward as shown as like these two trades here. So it's really thanks to the Bitwell tech software that I need not to monitor the charts, and I've just closed my position based on the trend expiration date by the Bitbow Tech software. Okay, guys. So in summary, for today's episode, I've tripled my account through insane two trades by the Bitbow Tech software. Today is the 2nd of February. I've traded from 26th of January. That's just slightly over a week ago with $300, and right now it's standing at $956. So really good day today with this, especially with the two insane trades that the Bitbow Tech signals has asked me to trade, the Bitcoin and Litecoin signals that just instantly double up my count. So in my opinion, the signals are pretty good. So you guys can check it out. Check it out by clicking the link in my description box below. Do make sure that you can register for a free ebook there. If you guys have any question related to Bitbubble Tech software, you guys can feel free to email me at this email or just leave a comment below, and I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel for latest bit of bubble tech progress, as well as other cryptocurrency trading news. I am also looking for a good auto trading software for forex at the moment. So if you guys came across any and would like my feedback on it, or maybe I can review that software in the near future, please feel free to leave a comment. Remember to like this video as well. So I think that's all for today, guys. So trade safe.